When that smoker lid just does not want to give way and open for you. You've let it build up, you can't open it, you've tried near on everything and it's getting annoying. There is a way of getting in with your hive tool. And what you can do is you can pry it with your hive tool underneath the lip. So you put it in like that. And there you go. Same goes with the tool smoker. It's a little harder, but you can use the bellows and ply it open. If it's really stuck, you can use the tip of your hive tool very gently, but if it's a nice smoker, you don't really want to damage it. There's a better way of doing this. If that smoker lid really isn't wanting to budge, don't pry the lid open if it's a nice smoker. What you can do is get a blowtorch. You torch around the edge of where the seal is, let it get up to temperature, and then the creosote starts to go gooey. That way you should be able to pull the lid open. With the cheaper smokers, like this one, it's about 20 to 30 pounds, I don't really mind plying it open with a hive tool. You can see I've already gone to town with this thing in the past, and you know, you can just go in like that, just wiggle it, and the lid falls off. It's cheap, I don't really mind. I mean, it's been battered, it's been used. This was used for our out apiary, a kind of an emergency smoker, but you can see I've really gone for it. Moving on. This one here I had for quite some time. This was actually one of my first smokers, and I really like the dome. The Dalek, as I like to call it. But they do, after a while, once they've been used, don't really close very well. You know, want to sit properly, and when it does, it's hard to actually take it off. But you can scrape along the edge like that, and you can see just a little bit of maintenance. Take away the creosote on the edging, and the same goes for in the inside of this. Just scrape that away. But this one here is my go-to, and this one's a bit more pricey. It's a nicer smoker, it's a nice item, and I don't want it getting ruined, so every so often I like to clean it out. And the best thing to do is to just get your hive tool after an inspection, because the creosote likes to gather on the edges. Just scrape that off. And then around here as well. Now this one I have actually tried cleaning, but you can see it actually builds up around the edge, but it does close nicely. That's a tight fit. See, with the creosote in the lid, it really can build up. So just a hive tool, and there you go. Just go round. You can also use a small wire brush. Which is really good for the lid. It just takes it off, cleans it up a bit. Same with the edging. You can go around that as well. Just takes a bit of patience, but it's worth cleaning them every so often. I'm one of those where I just let it build up until I can't really open the smoker, which isn't great when you need it for an emergency to get into the hive because you can't open the lid. But if you do finish a hive inspection and the smoker's still warm, just run a hive tool when you're finished beekeeping around the edge for when you need to open it next.